when it opens up for you in your browser, the next thing you want to do is do your registration. Click right here. When you click right there, you can see it has brought you to the registration page, right? Sometimes it may ask you to select language. You can select your preferred language, okay, before you get here. So then you can use either email or phone number to get registered. So having put in your phone number and your, whatever, then hit on this button to verify you are human. Then you click on your sign up. So, but because I've signed up already, I'm going to do a login, okay? So rather, I am going to, log into my account. So awesome. So now, when you finish registration, then get into your page like this. What's the next thing you want to do? You want to connect your account. Okay, it's a WhatsApp thing. Connect your WhatsApp. So how do you connect your WhatsApp? It's very simple. All you need to do is click on this where you see WhatsApp. Click on Start. Where you see WhatsApp, just click on Start. So you click on Start. It's going to pop up like this for you to choose. Then all you need to do is click right here, and you click right here. You can watch this video to show you how to connect your WhatsApp. It's very simple. Some of us have done this before, so I don't think it's going to be difficult. So click right here, link WhatsApp with phone number, or link with whatever. So I'm going to link this WhatsApp now with phone number. So for you to do that, just click on type in your phone number. Okay, so I will type in my phone number of my WhatsApp. Okay, so having done this, the next thing you want to do is hit on the get key button. So when you get key button, I've clicked on it, then you will see perhaps on your phone, if something pops up here, click on it immediately. If something pops up here, click on it immediately. It will take you to where you'll be able to connect your WhatsApp. If you can see that, you can see that. You just click on it. WhatsApp, just click on that stuff there to make it easy. Don't miss that. It's going to bring you right here. Then you click on confirm. Understand the account you're trying to link. Click on confirm. When you click on confirm, click on use mobile data. Then if I want to link device, I'm now going to approve it. Now it's going to ask me to enter the details. You understand the details that you're supposed to enter. So go back there. It's going to show you the details. You can see it's 88888888. So the moment you come back over here, enter that figure in the boxes provided, 88888, whatever. Actually, I'm not linking this WhatsApp. Actually, I already linked my WhatsApp, so I'm not linking this. Okay, so then I haven't completed those digits in the boxes. Just complete the digits. Just make sure you complete the digit to the end. I don't want to complete it, so just complete the digit to the end. It will automatically tell you it is linked, and once it is linked, this will let you understand that it's also successful after a few seconds. So then, having activated or linked your WhatsApp, the next thing you want to do is for you to link your bank account details for you to place your withdrawals. So click right here, right? And then you click cash out. You can see, click on cash out. So you click on cash out, you see where to enter your bank account details. So for you to enter your bank account details, click on where you see add new card. So you click on add new card right here, or where you see bank code, click on please select. It will help you to select your bank, what bank you are using. I prefer you use OPay or PalmPay. All of these fintech banks that are very fast today. OPay, PalmPay, you can use those stuff, you understand. But nevertheless, they have a lot of varieties here. But I prefer OPay, PalmPay, so you easily easily get your money without delays. They're right here. Enter card number means enter your bank account number for that bank you chose. If it's PalmPay or OPay, put in the numbers here. Then right here, enter your name. Where you see card name, enter your name of your account number. Enter it where you see card name right here. So here, select your bank. Here, enter your bank account details or number. Then here, enter your bank name, the name on your bank. Please make sure it is correct. Make sure they are correct, because you will not have room to edit it. Don't be in a haste. Make sure you confirm, make sure they are correct before you hit the confirm button, because you will not be able to edit it. Nevertheless, you can add more than one one bank account number. Like I have one now, I can also enter another one if I choose to. So I hope this has helped you. Like I said, this is where you copy your referral link. Just click here to copy your referral link. Click here, invite friends, and then click on copy. just to be sure you got that clear. Referring is not compulsory, but if you refer more people, you make more money from the system. You make more money from the system. You understand? So when this is the menu, in case you are looking for the menu, this is the menu at all times. You can see other things right here like leadership board and all of that. If you want to withdraw, click on cash out, enter your account, the details, and place your withdrawal. Okay. So when you click on cash out, you will see the minimum withdrawal is about 4,000 thereabout. So click on leadership board again. You see the daily earnings of people. These are people who are topping the chart. On daily basis, people have made this. On weekly basis, look at what people are making. Weekly basis, look at what people are making. Over 40,000 naira every week. And some people are making monthly basis, they are making over 400,000 naira from this business already. Every blessed month, you can see over 400, almost 300. People are making a lot of money on monthly basis for free. So it's up to you depending on what you're looking at. So if you are positive, don't waste time, get on this immediately. Thank you. I appreciate you. Thank you.